JD here. Today, I'm going to keep you from a major culinary crime, and that is cooking bratwurst the wrong way. Stay tuned. The basics of cooking bratwurst are extremely simple, as typified by the residents of the state of Wisconsin. They know this. They're actually born knowing this. You get name brand bratwurst. In case I didn't mention it, make sure that the brats are thawed. Cut up an onion, maybe two, depends. If you get a bunch of bratwurst, you might need more. Throw both of these into a kettle. Cover with beer. Yes, I said beer. Cover extra than you think you might need because the alcohol will evaporate. And if you want the brats to keep cooking, you need to put more beer than you think in there. Use a cheap beer if possible. Using a craft beer is really a stupid idea, and it's expensive, and it won't make the brats any better. Promise. Simmer those until they are completely cooked on the inside. This is the secret that all of these alleged experts on YouTube do not understand. It is simmering or boiling, depending on how you want to do it. That's what makes the difference. It is not, let me repeat that, it is not from cooking it over the fire. The fire is used to give it flavor and color. It is not used to cook it. You could literally, once they're done simmering, eat it like that. Why you would want to, I don't know. I'm sure that there are pigs in heaven that have given their life for this that are weeping at the thought of you doing something like that. Keep all the pigs in the afterlife happy, or you'll end up in pig hell. Promise. Frequently asked questions. Number one, what do I have with this? Any kind of bun you want. Toppings, generally speaking, sauerkraut, mustard, or traditional. In Germany, they will use a hot curry ketchup. Do what you like, but start with those as your guide. Should I put these in the oven? No. No. Put it on a grill. How about what kind of wood should I use? People make these on gas grills and they taste great. We used to use Kingsford charcoal and Kingsford charcoal lighter. You don't need special wood. That's the people who do the ribs and the burgers. They love that stuff. We, on the other hand, understand that the beer is more important than the tree that you killed. Okay? Get that right. If for some reason you're watching this in winter and you can't use your grill, you can pan fry them after you're done broiling them. Another question, do we have to use beer? Yes, you do. That's the law. If you don't do it, you're breaking the law. And what'll happen is some Karen will call the cops on you, first for being outside of your own house in your own backyard, and second because you didn't use beer. And let's be honest, for the second call, you should be called in. Period. I am that Karen if I see you do that. Do it right, and choirs of divine pigs will weep in joy and sing your praises when you reach the pearly gates. And the other thing that'll cause that to happen is you hitting that subscribe button right now. Giving it a thumbs up if you like it, 2 thumbs down if you don't like it, to show me how much you hate it. Social media, recipes, and other stuff's below. Leave your comments, leave your questions. Shouldn't be any, but in case you're difficult, it's there. JD, and I'm out.